Barbican Village, back with another episode of Jedi Learning with Barbican 2. And this is our new series, Astronomical Gardening. So it is the star sign of Taurus that is up in the sky right now. And it is about a waning moon, let's say about 29% or so. So we're getting close to the new moon. So you can kind of figure out where we are according to the stars in the cosmos and the astronomy. So back here, of course, you see we've got all the crabgrass out. It's just dirt left. We're about to smooth that grass on out and then get our rows together so we can go ahead and start dropping those seeds in the pods. Follow us. So the first thing that we want to do is get in and loosen that topsoil up, even though it's more like mid-soil. But just break it up real good so that it's nice and malleable when we get ready to put our extra compost in it and form it into rows for the seed plant. Now after we get this chair out of the way, we can really get back in there and move some of this dirt around. But this time we're going to use the shovel and we're just going to even it out, because right now we have a lot right in the middle where we shook our dirt out. But now we got to even it out to the corners, the front, back, and the sides. Here again we spray a little bit of water just to keep it from being so dusty, so we can work with it a little bit better. Okay. Alright, now remember, in our third installment, we're about to get these rows together. But first I want to make sure I put down some better compost, some better manure, so that it can be nice and beautiful and soft and nutrient rich, so that whatever it goes into, it's going to make it the best. Watch this. Now it's time to put a little extras into our soil. Go ahead and cut the bag open, bring it on over, and start just layering it right on top of that soil. Doing is mixing up that nice new compost right into our soil. And this time we just use a rake just to move the dirt around a little bit, make it a little bit more level at the top, so that when we go ahead and make our rows, they're much more definite and they don't run into each other's lane and therefore messing up anybody's growth possibilities. And finally, for the moment that some have all been waiting for, we start to carve out the rows. We start right smack dab in the middle at first, just to make sure that we get even on each side. And now that all our rows are getting carved away, it's starting to get a little dark, so we might just have to pick this up when the sun returns tomorrow. We'll catch you soon.